Hey guys, welcome to MyAirBags. I'm Eli. We just got done removing the airbag SRS module on this Nissan Rogue. Next, we're going to show you how to remove this seatbelt here on the side panel. Now, there's a couple of reasons why you may need to remove the seatbelt. One of them, which we deal with, is a deployment. After an accident, they lock up, they'll deploy, and basically you need to replace them. They do cost a couple $100 at the dealership. Here at MyAirBags.com, we can actually rebuild your original seatbelts back to its original design and function, where they will work again, just as it was before the accident. Now, for the general removal, you're going to need a large flathead or a flat bar. And let's start here at the bottom back half, the rear seats. You can see the panel we need to remove goes underneath the back side here. So we're just going to slightly remove this side here on the back. We're not going to completely remove it, just slightly. And then moving up, the whole panel is held down by some clips that go in. So you'll hear a few pops and they'll come right out. Just want to get right behind it. And then you just want to work your way up. Now here, you're going to need a 10mm socket for that bolt there. Once we have the top loosened up, you only have this one remaining from up here. And you want to use a small flathead. This piece will come off and you're left with this bolt here. And here towards the front seat, you can tell this panel is all the way free until it gets to down here. So we want to go ahead and lift up this piece. Not completely, just partially. Then right here at the bottom, you can go ahead and slip this piece right through. So right here you can clearly see the seatbelt retentioner. It's standard practice to remove the battery connection to the car before working on the airbag, seatbelts, or the airbag module. Wait maybe 5 minutes or so, and then we want to move on to the plugs right here. On this car, there's 2 plugs. That means this seatbelt is a dual stage seatbelt retentioner system. That means there's 2 parts that deploy. There's this piece here, as you can see the plug, and then there's this piece down here. You can see the plug right there as well. You will see this long cylinder shaped tube right over here. And then there's a bolt right here that you need to remove as well. So let's start with the plugs. You want to go ahead and on the left side and on the right side, this little white clip. And you can see these are the clips that need to be held in together and pulled up. Another way is to use a small little prying tool with a point, get right in the front side here and pull up. And for these bolts, you're going to need a 15mm socket. I'm going to take this one off first. Now in this car, the bracket comes right out. On some cars, it's intertwined. You don't need to send in the upper part or any of these panels with the seatbelt because you just need a bigger box and it's going to be a little bit more expensive on the shipping. So this is what a seatbelt will look like on a Nissan Rogue from 2021 through 2025. We just did an airbag module removal on this car, so check out the link in our bio, or you can go to MyAirBags.com. We can show you exactly how to remove the airbag module, which needs to be reset after an accident. Not only do we rebuild these seatbelts, but the webbing as well. Whether your original is frayed or you would like a different color, even custom color designs we have available, 80 different colors available. And not only that, but we will rebuild the seatbelt back to its original design and function. So it will work again as designed, and it will deploy again in another accident event. If you have any questions, just chat with us, email us, or call us. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions.